Looking for a comprehensive SEO audit to boost your website's performance? Well, it is crucial to have a complete SEO audit to rank higher in search results. Watch this video to understand how to conduct an SEO audit in 2025. Technical SEO audit. First, mobile friendliness. Ensure your site is responsive across all devices. Second, page speed. Page loading time impacts user experience and rankings. Third, crawling. Ensure search engine bots can crawl your site correctly. Content audit. First, on-page optimization. Ensure meta tags, titles, and headers are optimized for SEO. Second, relevant content. Review your content to ensure it's valuable and targeted for your audience. Third, structured data. Use schema markup to improve content visibility in SERPs. How can PixelCrayons help in SEO audits? PixelCrayons provides expert SEO audit services to help businesses enhance their online presence and drive more organic traffic. Our tailored solutions include comprehensive technical and on-page SEO analysis, in-depth backlink and competitor research, actionable insights for optimization, ongoing monitoring and follow-up audits.